Good morning, sir. So my name is Rick Torres. Now I'm going to answer the question of the activity 3 of module 3. So the first question is, if you are a sports official, what types and kind of sports official are you? So if I may a sports official, I choose court officiating of a basketball types of sports, because basketball is one of my favorite sports. As a player, I know the rules and the regulation of these kinds of sports. Second question is, if you are an administrator or official, which philosophies would you apply in your management? So, if I may administrator, I choose ethics, because I believe having a good moral and values as a leader is vital to a group. In this philosophical basis, we can develop on how to act with proper approach to your groups in the manner of doing good. So number three question is, among of the 8 qualification of an officials, which of the following spikes your interest? Choose 2 qualification and explain. So the number 1 qualification, I choose enjoyment and integrity. Enjoyment, because we are dealing with sports, it is important to enjoy and having fun to maintain the positivity and sportsmanship to everyone. Second is integrity. Integrity is important, that as an official we are having integrity in officiating the sports, keeping the trust of the people, especially the players, and confidence due to our unwavering principle, and remain neutral to both parties. So that's all, sir, and thank you.